Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Our lesson for today is all about volume of a rectangular prism and volume of a composite prisms. We're going to explore how to find the volume of a rectangular prism using unit cubes and a volume formula. This is our lesson outline. What is volume? Volume of a rectangular prism and volume of composite prisms. Okay, let's get started. Count the cubes. Can you tell how many smaller cubes were used to build this figure? Alright, let's count the smaller cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So it contains of 15 smaller cubes. Right, let's proceed to our lesson proper. Our learning outcomes at the end of the lesson, you'll be able to measure volume using unit cubes, determine volume using length times width times height, and determine volume of composite figures. First, we will know what is a volume. Volume is the amount of space an object occupies. What is a unit cube? Unit cube is a cube whose sides are equal to 1 unit long. Count the number of unit cubes to find the volume of the block of cheese. So we're going to find the volume. In finding the volume, we can use this illustration. So remember that 1 unit cube, this is equal to 1 inch cube. So how many small unit cube are there in this figure? Alright, there are 28 unit cubes. Therefore, the cheese volume is 28 inches cube. We can use also the formula in finding the volume of a cube. So, we're going to count the length, which is equal to 7 unit cubes. And for the width, this is equal to 4 unit cube. And for the height, this is just 1 unit cube. So we're just going to multiply 7 times 4, which is equal to 28. Therefore, the volume of the cheese is 28 unit cubes. How about if an object is a rectangular prism and has a specific thickness? Alright, just like in this illustration. So we're going to find the volume of this cereal box. So the height is 7 inches, the length is 5 inches, and the width, which is 2 inches. So we're going to find the volume. So again, 1 unit cube, this is equal to 1 inch cube. So we have 2 ways how we're going to find the volume. One is we're going to count the smaller cubes, and the other one is we're going to use the formula how to find the volume of a rectangular prism. So for the first one, we're going to count the smaller cubes. So there are 70 unit cubes. Therefore, the box volume is 70 inches cube. The way is to multiply the height, the length, and the width. So in this example, the height is 7 unit cubes, the length is 5 unit cubes, and the width is 2 layers. So we're going to multiply 7 times 5, which is equal to 35, times 2, this is equal to 70 unit cubes. Therefore, the volume of this cereal box is equal to 70 inches cube. or 70 cubic inches. Let's discuss about volume of a rectangular prism as what we used in the previous examples. So, the volume of a rectangular prism is equal to the length times width times height. So, in the symbol, we can have V is equal to L times W times H. So, just like in our example. So, in this cereal box, so the height is 7 inches, the length is 5 inches, and the width is 2 inches. So, we're just going to multiply 5 inches times 2 inches times 7 inches, which is equal to 70 cubic inches. Alright, let's try another example. Find the volume of the rectangular prism at the right. So, with the height of 5 inches, the length of 15 inches, and the width of 4 inches. So, can you show the volume of the fish tank using unit cubes? Alright, to answer this problem, we have two methods. The first one is we're going to use the illustration. So, in the illustration, we're going to count the number of smaller cubes. So, there are 300 unit cubes in this illustration. And the other one is we're going to use the formula how to find the volume of a rectangular prism, which is length times width times height. So, in this illustration, the length of the fish tank is 15 inches. The width is 4 inches and the height, which is 5 inches. If we're going to multiply these three dimensions, the volume of this fish tank is equal to 300 cubic inches. Since we already know about the volume of the rectangular prism, now let's proceed to study about the volume of composite prisms. What is a composite prism? A composite prism is any prism made up of two or more prisms. You are going to find its volume by adding all the volumes of rectangular prisms. Like for this example, what is the volume of the composite prism below? So, how are we going to answer this? So, given all the dimensions out here, we're going to find the volume of this composite prism. To answer this problem, first is we're going to make two prisms out of this composite prism. So, we have the first one. This is our first prism with a dimension of 10 centimeters for the length, 3 centimeters for the height, and 2 centimeters for the width. Then, let's find the first volume. So, we're going to use this formula, length times width times height. So, we have 10 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 3 centimeters, which is equal to 60 cubic centimeters. And for the second prism, we're going to get also the volume. So, as you can see, the height of this composite prism is equal to 10 centimeters. But we already use 3 centimeters on it. That's why we're just going to subtract 10 centimeters minus 3 centimeters. Then the height of the second prism is 7 centimeters. As for the length, this is equal to 3 centimeters, and for the width is equal to 2 centimeters. Then let's find the volume of the second prism. So still, we're going to use length times width times height. This is equal to 7 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 3 centimeters, which is equal to 42 cubic centimeters. After that, after we get the first volume of the first prism and the volume of the second prism, we're going to find the total of the two volumes. So volume 1 plus volume 2. So volume 1 is 60 cubic centimeters and volume 2 is 42 cubic centimeters. Then, the volume of this composite prism is equal to 102 cubic centimeters. This is the way how we're going to find the volume of a composite prisms. Let's have a recap. Volume is the amount of space an object occupies. One can determine an object's volume by counting the number of unit cubes. The other one is by using the formula in finding the volume of a rectangular prism, which is given by length times width times height. Next is the volume of a composite prism. So, a composite prism is made up of two or more prisms. One can find its volume by adding all the volumes of each component prism. I hope that you understand our lesson for today, and thank you for watching.